ladies and gentlemen, the Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha election 2024 has gained considerable importance given the scenario of our country. Each election is a test as well as a testimony of the strength of the country's democracy and our faith in it. We, along with the eminent scholars, intellectuals, activists, and opinion makers of Maharashtra from across communities, have some important suggestions regarding the upcoming Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha elections 2024. In the best interest of our country, better future, and most importantly, to safeguard the constitution of our country, we are hereby suggesting the list of candidates we shall be supporting in upcoming Vidhan Sabha elections 2024. After extensive research, ground survey, and in-depth analysis, we have decided to support the candidates of Maha Vikas Aghadi on 269 constituencies. 269. The list of the same has been mentioned in Annexure 1, which is going to be distributed to you all at the end of the press conference. Apart from MVA candidates, we have decided to support few of the candidates from other parties as mentioned in Annexure 2. As can be inferred from the list of candidates, and please note it, it is worth noticing that we have extended our support to 170 candidates from Maratha and OBC communities. I repeat, 170 candidates from Maratha communities. Number 2, 40 candidates from other communities. 53 candidates from SC/ST communities. And 23 candidates from Muslim community. We convey our best wishes to each and every candidate aforementioned. We hope that these elections shall strengthen our democracy, our constitution, and deter the forces that are detrimental to them. We hope that a secular and inclusive government is formed or will be formed as a result of these elections. We also like to take this opportunity to appeal through you to the citizens of Maharashtra to please come out and perform 100% voting and participate in building a bright future of our state and country.